Hey guys, today we're doing a little quick pressure washing job on a concrete driveway here. See if we can't do anything about these rust spots. And then the main concern is really this big oil spot. We'll see what we can do to cut through that. Might be a little bit of a process. We'll have it looking good before we leave. Otherwise the concrete's in pretty good shape. Nothing alarming, nothing even really too heavily soiled. Here by the door. Looks like that mat might have been there for a while, so some of it might be sun faded. We'll see. Should all clean up really good. We'll get this thing started. Alright guys, that one went really well. As you can see, got the rust stains out and most of the oil. You can still see a little bit of it, what penetrated the concrete, but here, sun will have to do the trick. Here, at the same time, it'll look really good once it's dry. If you guys need any kind of pressure washing, specialized stain removal, feel free to book us online at windycitysteam.com. Thanks for watching, guys.